We're at Augustin Bernal City Park in Pleasanton, and we're at the trailhead of a new trail that Dudek was involved in permitting and planning.
It is a city park and mountain bike trail. It's a downhill only trail. The mountain bikers were kind of in conflict with all the other trail users because there weren't enough trails that allowed for mountain bike use. Almost all the trails were just for hikers, and the local mountain bike community was sort of pushing the city to create a sanctioned mountain bike trail. The city wanted to build something that was just for the mountain bike community, and that's how this came about.
Well, it's almost impossible to build a new mountain bike trail in California. There have been very few built in the last 20 years. And one of the challenges that we were able to help solve was to come kind of a win-win for the city and for the resource agencies by closing unauthorized trails that had cropped up throughout this park. So by closing those trails as part of this trail construction, we were able to demonstrate that this trail would not cause increased impacts to the federally listed threatened Alameda whipsnake.
I think what's really cool about this project, not unlike a lot of other Dudek projects, this project brought together a bunch of different disciplines: bio, CEQA, restoration design, cultural, and all of those disciplines came together to make this project happen.